Today we're talking about fuel system decons and why you might end up needing one. Fuel sample on the left here is straight out of a pump. That's what your fuel should look like. This fuel sample was drained out of a 2006 Chevy 6.6 Duramax. You can see here most of this sample is water. This came out of the filter housing. Only this small portion is diesel, and even that's not very clean. When you have excessive amounts of water in your fuel or contamination, you can get rough running, white smoke, knocking. This truck came in not running with a customer complaint of knocking and white smoke. So obviously it got shut down and never did start again. On inspection, this is what we found in the fuel filter and hydrolocking on cylinder 6. More commonly, we find metal in the fuel, typically from either bulk tanks or CP4 pumps failing. We also find water, and occasionally we find DEF. People that go to the gas station and put the DEF nozzle in rather than the diesel nozzle and fill her up. So it may not always be a mechanical failure of the vehicle, it can also be user error. It can also be a product of vandalism, so if you got somebody that doesn't like you, you might want to get some locking fuel caps. So in a decon, we're going to start by dropping your tanks out, cleaning them out, flushing all your lines. Then we've got to pull the CP3 pump or injection pump, depending on the style of injection system you have. Pull the injectors, all the rails, depending on the severity. You know, sometimes we can clean a rail. Most times it turns into everything gets replaced. So if you're noticing problems, probably something to have looked at sooner than later. Avoid yourself an expensive repair bill. You know, have your filters changed regularly and pour what's in the filter out into a clear container and have a look and see what you're getting. Could be an early indicator that you got something going on. So if you got any of these concerns, give us a shout at S&M Diesel. We'll be more than happy to help you out.